Let's see, Shaitan commence with the sweet name of Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. I'm Shaitan. Today we are going to discuss about all parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So first of all, we will discuss noun. So the types of noun, number of noun, gender of noun, kind of noun, and cases of noun. So first of all, I will define the noun definition. After this, I will explain the types of noun. So first of all, the noun definition. Every naming word is called noun is the name of place, person, thing, title, idea, quality, etc. After this, the types of first of all, types of noun. So types of noun have two types. Number one, animated, and number two, non-animated. So animated is referred to living things, like for example, boy, dog, etc. And after this, non-animated is referred to non-living things, like for example, chair, table, book, etc. After this, we have number of noun. Number of noun have also two types. Number one, singular types. Number two, plural. So singular are those noun which refer to one person, one things, and one place. Like for example, a boy, a chair, etc. After this, plural. Plural are those nouns which refer to more than one person, one place, one things. Like for example, chairs, tables, boys, etc. So after this, we have gender of noun. So gender of noun have five types. Number one, masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neutral gender, and female personified gender. So first of all, I will explain masculine gender. So masculine gender are those gender which is referred to a male. Like for example, boy. Are this feminine gender? Feminine gender are those gender which is referred to a female. Like for example, girl. So after this, we have common gender. So common gender are those gender which is referred to both male or female. Like for example, doctor, nurse, students. So after this, we have neutral gender. Neutral gender are those gender which is referred to neither female or male. Like for example, chair, table, book, etc. So after this, we have personified gender. So personified gender when non-living things give the quality of living things, we cannot consider them as a male or female under the base of these qualities. So after this, we have kind of noun. So kind of noun have 10 types. Number one, proper, common, abstract, material, collective, compound, countable, uncountable, concrete, verbal. So first of all, I will explain proper noun. So proper noun are those nouns which refer to specific person, place, things, etc. Like for example, Qaidazam, Allama Iqbal, etc. After this, common noun. Common noun is referred to unspecific person, place, things, etc. Like for example, boy, chair, tables, etc. After this, we have abstract noun. Abstract noun are those nouns which cannot be touched, seen, and which don't have physical existence. Like for example, love, pen, etc. So after this, we have abstract noun have also two types. Number one, basic abstract noun, and number two, derived abstract noun. So basic abstract noun are those nouns which don't another form. Like for example, pen, love, etc. After this, we have derived abstract noun. Derived abstract noun which are derived. Like for example, growth from growth from grow, beautiful from beauty. So all this we have material noun. So material noun are those noun which another noun can be made. Like for example, bricks, cement, etc. After this, collective noun. So collective noun are those nouns which is referred to into a group. And after this, collective noun are single but give a plural meaning. And collective noun is referred to things and persons, etc. So compound noun. So compound noun when more than two words come together and one form of noun is called compound. And after this, countable. So countable noun. So countable noun are those noun which can be count and have individual. Like for example, chairs, tables, etc. Out this uncountable. Uncountable are those nouns which cannot be counted and don't have individual. Like for example, rice, rain, etc. So after this we have concrete noun. So concrete noun are those noun which has physical existence and can be touched in. Like for example, door, chair, light, fan, etc. After this, verbal noun. Verbal noun are those nouns which are made from a verb are called verbal noun. Like for example, I like to play cricket. So after this, we have cases of noun. So cases of noun have 9 types. Number one, subjective case, objective case, dative case, possessive case, oblige case, complement to be, and verbal case, appositive case, occative case. So subjective case, when a noun is used as subject of the sentence, is called subjective case. Like for example, Ali is a boy. So after this, we have objective case. When a noun is used as an object of the sentence. Like for example, after this we have dative case. So dative case are those noun which used to individual. After this, possessive. So possessive are those noun which show position and ownership. Like for example, this is this is my car. After this, oblige case. Oblige case when a noun is used before direct. After this, like for example, I buy a book for Musa. So after this we have complement to be. So complement to be when a noun is used after to be. Like for example, this is Musa. After this, verbal case. So verbal case when verb is used as noun is called verbal case. So always we have a positive case. So a positive case when a noun comes to order to modify another noun is called a positive case. Like for example, the chairman Abraham looked like good. After this occative case, when a noun is used, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means when we do order. Like for example, Ali, come here. So after this, I finish the noun, and after this, I will explain pronoun. So what is pronoun? So what is the definition of pronoun, and what is the types of pronoun? So first of all, I will explain the definitions of pronoun. So a pronoun is a word which is used for a noun, and someone say a pronoun is a word which is instead of a noun. They are he, she, it, I, we, you, they. Like for example, he is a boy. So the types of pronoun. There have 12 types. Number one, subjective pronoun, objective pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, possessive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, emphatic pronoun, distributive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, day pronoun, class, and indifferent. So first of all, I will explain subjective pronoun. So subjective pronoun are those pronoun which is used before verb and other to function as subject of the sentence. They are he, she, it, I, you, they, we. And like for example, she's a girl, and our is objective pronoun. So objective pronoun are those pronoun which is used after verb and other to function as object of the sentence. They are my, her, him, your, etc. Like for example, they call them. And after this, we have demonstrative pronoun. Uh, Demonstrative pronoun. So demonstrative pronoun are those pronoun which is used to indirect person, place, things, etc. They are these, that, these, those, such. यहाँ पे देखिए दिस यूज होता है एक पर्सन के लिए और वो नजदीक हो. दैट यूज होता है एक पर्सन के लिए जो दूर हो हमसे. दिस दिस आता है, दिस ज्यादा लोगों के लिए यूज होता है और नजदीक के लिए यूज होता है. और दोज यूज होता है ज्यादा लोगों के लिए यूज होता है और हमसे दूर हो. और सच सब के लिए यूज होता है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, this is a tree. And after this, possessive pronoun. So possessive pronoun are those pronoun which is used to show possession and ownership. Like for example, this is mine. This is mine. So after this, we have interrogative pronoun. So interrogative pronoun are those pronoun which is used to ask a question. They are what, whose, who, etc. So, like for example, what is your name? After this, relative. Relative are those pronoun which join class and which make adjective class. They are who, why, etc. Like for example, I bought a camera that was not working. After this, we have emphatic pronoun. So emphatic pronoun are those pronoun which show stress. Like for they are myself, ourself, herself, himself, etc. Like for example, I myself cut. So after this, we have distributive pronoun. So distributive pronoun are those pronoun which is used to noun replace, which is used to replace a noun individual. They are each, every, either, neither. Like for example, they are fighting each other. How is reciprocal pronoun? So reciprocal pronoun are those pronoun which is used to replace a noun mutually. Like for example, they are each other and one another. Like for example, they are fighting one another. After this, we have demi pronoun. So demi pronoun are those pronoun which don't give meaning, but it's only used to complete the structure. Like for example, it's good to have you here. In office, we have class, group of words which sometimes give complete meaning and sometimes no. Like for example, if she cooks one, two. After this, we have infinite. Infinite are those pronoun which is used to show infinite, unclear person, place, things, etc. Like for example, someone, anyone, no one. Some things, no things, anything, somewhere, anywhere, nowhere. Like for example, I go somewhere, and this sentence somewhere in indefinite pronoun. After this, we have cases of pronoun: subjective case, objective, and possessive. So first of all, I will explain subjective case. So subjective case when a noun is used as a subject of the sentence. Like for example, this is Musa, and after this, objective case. Objective case are those when a noun is used as object of the sentence. Like for example, they call him. After this, possessive. Possessive when a pronoun used to show possession and ownership. Like for example, this is my home.